Buckle up, legends, as we take a thrill ride into the wild and wondrous world of virtual reality SEO. And today, we're diving deeper than ever before. We'll explore the intricate intricacies of VR metadata, the amazing aspect of spatial keywords, the super social side of VR, and some extra surprises along the way. So, strap on your VR goggles and let's blast off into this interstellar journey. First on the galactic agenda, metadata. Metadata is the secret sauce, the hidden code, the Rosetta Stone to your VR content. It whispers in the ear of search engines, telling them all about your content and why it's the best thing since sliced bread in the VR world. You've got your title tags, which are the eye-catching headlines that draw users in like a moth to a flame. They're like the title of an epic blockbuster, promising adventure, excitement, and a journey into the unknown. Then there's the description tags. These tantalizing teasers offer a sneak peek into your VR universe like the enticing blurb on the back of a best-selling novel. They tell a story, drawing users in with the promise of unforgettable experiences and amazing adventures. Similar to description tags, you have the keyword tags. These are the magic words, the spells that summon search engines to your VR content. The more descriptive and accurate your metadata, the better the chance that search engines will understand and rank your content, boosting your visibility in the vast VR cosmos. Next up on our SEO exploration, spatial keywords. These are the cutting-edge, next-gen, supercharged keywords that help describe the 3D space in your VR content. They're like the GPS coordinates for your VR world, telling search engines not just what your content is about, but where it is in the virtual space. So picture this. You've created an epic VR tour of a haunted house. Your spatial keywords might include phrases like creepy attic with lurking shadows, bone-chilling basement with echoing footsteps, or ghost-infested kitchen with rattling pans. Spatial keywords are the signposts that guide search engines and users through your VR haunted house, so get creative and specific. Now let's get social. In the VR realm, social sharing is the lifeblood, the heartbeat, the driving force. It's like throwing the biggest, best party in town, and then inviting everyone on your friends list. Users can share their VR experiences on social media, increasing the visibility of your content and creating an enthusiastic community around your VR world. Imagine users sharing their daring VR dragon battles, their breathtaking virtual tours of alien landscapes, or their hilarious VR dance-offs.
Nice.
This social sharing is word-of-mouth marketing on steroids, but in the virtual world. Plus, platforms like Facebook Horizon and VR Chat are creating social VR experiences that are more accessible and more immersive than ever before. Now let's not forget about 3D sitemaps. Imagine a detailed blueprint of a futuristic city, but instead of buildings and roads, it's charting the mind-bending, awe-inspiring world of your VR content.
Yeah, boy.
This 3D sitemap is the treasure map that guides search engines through your virtual reality realm, helping them to understand, categorize, and rank your content in the vast expanse of the VR cosmos. 3D sitemaps are like the cartographers of your VR world, mapping out the terrain, plotting the landmarks, and marking the points of interest. They're the silent guides that help search engines navigate your VR universe, ensuring that your content gets the recognition and visibility it deserves. Then, there's the exciting frontier of voice search. In the immersive, hands-on world of VR, voice search is the ultimate tool for seamless, intuitive interaction. Picture this. You're locked in a fierce battle against a horde of virtual zombie invaders. Do you really want to pause the action to type? Of course not. With voice search, you can shout out your commands, summon your weapons, and vanquish your foes, all without missing a beat. Voice search is about making your VR world as user-friendly as possible, and nothing says user-friendly like navigating a zombie apocalypse with just the power of your voice. And let's not overlook the importance of immersive content. This is all about creating a virtual environment so lifelike, so engrossing, that users feel like they've truly stepped into another world. We're talking about breathtaking landscapes that stretch as far as the virtual eye can see, populated with creatures and characters so detailed, so realistic, that users might just forget they're in a VR world. Creating immersive content is the ultimate goal of any VR developer, and it's what keeps users coming back for more.
What is this place?
So as we near the end of our thrilling VR journey, remember this. In the dynamic, ever-evolving world of VR SEO, it's all about understanding your content, knowing your virtual terrain, and cultivating a passionate, engaged community around your VR experiences. It's about constant exploration, relentless innovation, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the VR universe. Before we sign off, Legends, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to keep up with all the latest in VR SEO. Join the LegendsXR Discord and be part of the revolution that's reshaping the VR landscape. Until next time, stay wild, stay curious, and stay legendary.